Hey guys, it's Fit with Hips coming to you all. We have another fitness challenge starting. Actually, we're going to have two challenges going on. The first one is just like the last. It's a 30-day weight loss challenge. This challenge, we're going to weigh in March 1st. This challenge is going to end on March 31st. I'm giving you guys that extra day to make up. March has 31 days this time. We're going to weigh in. You're going to join the support group. This one, same as last time. The person who loses the most weight takes the whole pot. The second challenge we have going on, this is called the Step Into It Challenge. This is for those who don't want to lose weight or just want to get back to being active. This is a walking challenge for you all. And again, the person who walks the furthest takes the whole pot. You guys, we got to get back into it. Summer bodies are built in the winter and the spring and fall. So don't give up. We're going to run these challenges for 30 days. This year, I am going to run this one, like I said, March 1st to 31st. We're going to do a 2-week break, then we'll announce the date for the new one. That way you guys can stay into it, and we can run this thing all year long, getting in shape together. I just got me a nice new walking pad. Y'all think it's a game. I think I'm going to do both challenges with y'all this time, simultaneously. We shall see. But join the support group. You guys get ready. March 1st, going in.